Welcome back. Time for another build. So this time doing the High Grade Kämpfer. So this one is kind of I have a master grade version of this one coming whenever the pre-order ships. I just happened to be walking through the local hobby store the other day, saw this one, and I like being able to compare grades. So I figured I'd go ahead and do this one. That way when I do the master grade, I'll have the two to put together. So we'll do the usual on this one. Unbox it, time-lapse out the build, show it off, and then I'll come back around at the end and talk about it. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box. Okay, let's see what we got here. Nice colors already. A few stickers there. Blues. Lots of blues. Got some wire here. Some usual grays. And our instructions. Of course, being a high grade, we're dealing with the fold out style here. Some cool images. Okay. Should be a quick and easy one, but like I said, I'm looking forward to it so that later on I've got it as a good comparison. So we'll get to it. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so let's talk about this guy a little bit real quick, okay? It's a high grade, so really you kind of have to go off the rails to have a bad experience with a high grade. They're so quick to build, couple pages of instructions, small number of parts. So from that standpoint, right, it's not a very compelling review. I kind of hope that the unbox and seeing the model fits more for what you're looking for. This one took me around 3 hours, but I did spend some time doing some extra work on it. That's kind of what I like high grades for. I can put them together quick and then play afterwards. Probably speed build wise, you could do this one in 2 hours pretty easy. The only thing I would call out from a build standpoint, the polycarbonate pieces are very similar looking, and the instructions don't do a really good job of kind of differentiating the different ones. So if you're the kind of builder that just kind of goes through and just cuts everything out and then puts it together, you'll probably run into some sections where you're like, well, this one's kind of close enough. Hopefully it's the right one. So it's like, I can't really tell you like 100% this one is correctly put together, right? Because there were some pieces there that it was just a difficult time sorting out. So it's together and it works. That's all I can say. Fit and finish on it is solid. There's no loose parts. Everything went together well, aside from the polycarb I mentioned. Just a good model otherwise. High grades kind of fit in that little spot for me where it's like, if I'm looking to kind of like decompress build, or like I said, I want to play, something like that. Or in this case, I've got a master grade coming and I really like comparing grades. And so when I saw this one at the local kind of chain hobby store, I was like, oh, heck yeah, I'll get it, put it together, and then I'll have it later for a comparison. The funny thing is, I really ended up liking it. From a look standpoint, I mean, I am a Sazabi kind of fan, Sinanju, that kind of stuff. This one I really liked. It just ended up being a really sharp model. Something about it just grabbed me. There's definitely a lot of potential here. I did a little bit of panel lining. It'd be a little bit of paint, but there's a lot of nozzles and things like that that you could paint even more. And of course, if you really wanted to go out with different colors and things like that. Otherwise, it's a good model. I'm really happy with it. The question always is, right? You come to me and say you found one. I'm going to say, yeah, grab it. All right. Quick, easy build, lots of potential. I think it looks awesome. You compose it pretty well. It's a good build. So that is that one. Keep the comments, the feedback, the recommendations coming. I think my next one is a recommendation from someone. So that's going to be fun. I'm looking forward to that one. And thanks for watching.